Good evening,
Good
Karen.
evening.
Good evening, Heart. Thank you so much for gracing tonight's celebration. Oh my God, you know, they're very busy. They're actually rushing, but they really found the time to celebrate and spread love tonight. Karen?
Well, unang-una, Makati, magandang gabi. Makati, so isa po akong resident ng Makati. So, I've lived in Makati since 2013. At unang-una, tuwang-tuwa po ko sa Pride event. Alam niyo po, ang gender equality is not a woman's issue. This is not a women's issue alone. Ang gender equality po ay issue natin lahat. Maraming nagsasabi, ang gender equality ay issue pangmayaman. Hindi po yan totoo. Kapag hindi po patas ang tingin sa isang individual, apektado po ang kinikita ninyo, ang trabaho ninyo, ang oportunidad ninyo, ang pagpasok sa eskwelahan ng anak ninyo. Nagsisimula po ang inclusion, diversity, and the belief in equality sa ating mga tahanan. Ang tanong ko sa inyo, dati pinapayagan pa natin na kapag bakla, binubugbog, sinasaktan, binibiro, hindi na po pwede yan.
Hindi na pwede.
Hindi po pwede yan. Ang anak ko po, si David, ay may autism. Nagsisimula po ang inclusion sa ating mga tahanan. Lagi ko lang tinatanong, simple lang to, meron ba kayong mga kaibigan na hindi po tulad ninyo? O lahat po ba ng kaibigan ninyo, kapwa pareho ninyo? Kung ganon, hindi po yun pag-practice ng inclusion at equality. Ating tandaan sa mata ng Panginoon, pare-pareho lang tayo. Mayaman, mahirap, babae, lalaki, LGBTQ, pare-pareho lang po tayo sa mata ng Panginoon. So when it comes to diversity, inclusion, pagtanggap sa LGBTQ, ito lang ang hiling ko. The Philippines is one of the most tolerant countries in the world when it comes to gays. Pero bakit po ayaw natin silang bigyan ng karapatan na patas sa atin? Bakit po gusto lang natin tinotolerate sila? Ang tunay na patas ay iisa lahat sa ilalim ng batas. So to the gay community, it's an honor to be here celebrating with all of you. We love you all.
Thank you, Karen. Wait, Heart, before you speak, gusto ko lang sabihin, in 2019, we had a campaign for the awareness of the SOGI Equality Bill, and I asked friends to wear the rainbow flag pin. And nung sinuot ni Heart, when she went to the sauna, biglang naging national issue ang SOGI Equality Bill. So Heart, thank you so much for being one of the strongest voices for the LGBT community.
Well, we are here to celebrate love. I'd like to share the stage with all of you. We are present and not at the farthest of reaching, because each and every single one of us here holds something very special in our hearts. Something that is very unique, a unique kind of spring that blossoms internally, and that is the sense of self. And we should celebrate it, and we should hear it. In this world, they say that love is intangible, but indeed, in this night, it has been made present because of all of you. So we shall celebrate it, and we shall champion it. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan ulit for the two strongest voices of the LGBT community, Miss Karen Davila and Miss Heart Evangelista Escudero. Thank you so much. Thank you.